following is an urgent winter weather message. For the following counties, in New York, Broome, Cortland, Onondaga, and Sullivan, and the following counties, in Pennsylvania, Lackawanna, Northern Wayne, Pike, Southern Wayne, and Susquehanna. Winter storm warning in effect from 7 a.m. Sunday to 7 p.m. Monday. What? Heavy snow and mixed precipitation expected. Total snow accumulations of 9 to 15 inches and ice accumulations of around 1/10 of an inch. Where? In Pennsylvania, Susquehanna, Northern Wayne, Lackawanna, Pike, and Southern Wayne counties. In New York, Onondaga, Cortland, Broome, and Sullivan counties. When? A mixture of snow, sleet, and freezing rain will overspread the area Sunday morning and continue through the daytime hours. The wintry mix then changes to all snow after midnight Sunday night and could be heavy at times through the day Monday. Impacts: travel could be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning and evening commutes. Additional details: the heaviest period of snow is expected to occur later Sunday night into Monday. Snowfall rates up to 2 inches per hour are expected at times. Temperatures hover in the mid-20s to lower 30s through the event. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The Pennsylvania Department of Transportation and Pennsylvania Turnpike Commission strongly encourage motorists to heed all travel restrictions and delay unnecessary travel. Visit www.511pa.com for the latest travel, roadways, and traffic conditions. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Station WXL 31 in Syracuse, originating from the National Weather Service in Binghamton. This broadcast transmits on a frequency of 162.550 MHz from tower facilities provided by WMHR FM radio in Syracuse and serves the greater Syracuse area of central New York, eastern Lake Ontario region, and northern Finger Lakes. The following is a winter weather message. For the following counties, in New York, Jefferson, Lewis, Northern Cayuga, and Oswego. Winter weather advisory in effect from 7 a.m. Sunday to 7 p.m. Monday. What? Mixed precipitation expected. Total 36-hour snow accumulations of 6 to 11 inches. Where? Northern Cayuga, Oswego, Jefferson, and Lewis counties. When? From 7 a.m. Sunday to 7 p.m. Monday. Impacts: travel could become difficult. Plan accordingly and be sure to allow extra time to reach your destination. Periods of snow, sleet, or freezing rain will result in slippery roads and limited visibilities. Slow down and use caution while driving. Submit snow and ice reports through our website or social media. The following is a winter weather message. For the following counties, in New York, Ontario, and Wayne. Winter weather advisory remains in effect from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Sunday. What? Mixed precipitation expected. Total snow accumulation of 2 to 4 inches and ice accumulation 1/10 of an inch or less. Where? Monroe, Wayne, and Ontario counties. When? From 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Sunday. Impacts: plan on slippery road conditions. Periods of snow, sleet, or freezing rain will result in slippery roads and limited visibilities. Plan accordingly and be sure to allow extra time to reach your destination. Submit snow and ice reports through our website or social media. High pressure will keep conditions quiet tonight, but it will remain cold. A major storm system will hit the area Sunday and Monday, bringing significant snow accumulation along with some ice. Then remaining cold with scattered snow showers and lake effect snow mid to late week. Here is the National Weather Service forecast for Syracuse, Utica, Rome, and vicinity. Winter storm warning in effect from 7 a.m. Sunday to midnight Eastern Standard Time Monday night. Tonight, partly cloudy. Lows 15 to 20. East winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Sunday, snow and sleet. Snow and sleet accumulation of 2 to 4 inches. Highs in the lower 30s. East winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Sunday night, snow with sleet and freezing rain likely in the evening, then snow after midnight. snow may be heavy at times after midnight. Additional snow and sleet accumulation of 4 to 6 inches. Ice accumulation around a trace. Lows in the upper 20s. East winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Monday, snow. Additional moderate snow accumulation. Highs in the lower 30s. North winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of snow near 100%. Monday night, snow. Additional light snow accumulation. Lows around 20. North winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of snow 90%. Tuesday, partly sunny. Highs in the mid-30s. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-20s. Here is the National Weather Service extended forecast for Syracuse.